Yo, welcome back, and thanks for staying tuned. It's been way too long. The reason for that is because waiting on contractors and architect for extending the whole shop and all that. It's been a long wait. The city approval for the permit is taking a while because they're all working remotely from home. But sorry for the mess. Just keeping you guys posted and all that. The CRX will be put on a pause until the shop is all done. We'd like to break in the new shop with the CRX as the first complete job in here. So as of now, I'm gonna turn the camera around. Hold on. Same situation. Just been doing the filler, slowly tinkering around with it. And as of right now, we're gonna be working on this right here. Doing some TIG welding on some aluminum for I think an '86 Corolla. I'm not even sure if it's the original engine for it, but I need to ask him. So, and I believe it's his steering or something goes right through there, and it kind of hits this. So the customer had just cut it and notched it right here, and he just wants me to weld this hole shut with the plate just to make sure no contamination or anything gets in there, because this is where all the back and forth. So I had to knock down these little areas and these little ridges, and now I made a template, and I think I'm happy with it, man. So it's got a little tiny gap on the bottom. That's because the middle is too high, so it kind of teeter-tots, but I got it way better. So now I'm going to transfer this template onto a piece of aluminum plate. So let's get at that right now. Now that we got that all cut, we got ourselves a little rough template. I believe it goes like this, or maybe the other way. Let's see. Yeah, it's this way. Yeah, not really happy with the smaller gap, but I'll manage to knock the middle down and get it to kind of teeter-tot the other way, so it's a nice and even way. But now it's time to rough it up. Yeah, see, it's we're using a 1/4 inch aluminum. I think it's 443, I believe it is. But gonna rough it up, clean it up. It's gonna take a little while, and then hopefully we can get it tacked and welded in place. So now we're all done. It's all nice and curved. We actually got it to fit really nice. I'm pretty. Now it looks pretty damn good. Check that out. It looks really good. I'm really happy with it. Check out the back side. See the opening there. Closing. All the gaps are pretty tight. Except a little area over here, but I'm not worried about it. This weld is going to be not too pretty because we're welding on cast aluminum. Cast aluminum is probably one of the dirtier multi-mixed stuff, you know. That's what they use for mass production for a lot of car parts. But yeah, I think we're gonna start welding on it soon. So yeah, I think we're done. Check it out. Alright, let's get a closer look. So that's all sealed now. Used to be a big old hole in there. And that's all TIG welded. It was a freaking task. It was a pain in the ass. But I'm actually pretty happy with it. It doesn't look too pretty, but for being cast aluminum, I'm definitely happy with it. So, Ryan, you can come pick up the bottom of these oil pan now. We're done for the day. So I'll give you a text in a few minutes and I'm gonna put the video out. Alright, thanks you guys for watching and stay tuned.